Okay, I figured out the noise. I don't even think it's the cable. It's this cable right here. They have it so close. Like, it'd be nice if it was had another mount there to kind of guide it through or something. I don't know. I guess I would be at the top, or that they did a couple inches longer for those cables. And that is the speed sensor and the front brake hydraulic line. Yep, that's what's making the noise now. I bet the computer kind of deformed it just a tad where now it's always hitting. Yeah, that's kind of annoying. Beta sure did a better job on that. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is pretty annoying. They have put such short cables, it hits this, and I hear thud, thud, thud. It's like, sounds loud when the suspension gets really hard. It's like, come on, 2 more inches.
2 more, yeah.
Just, a lot longer. Yeah, just like, what? Why Beta? Like little stuff like that. Why? I mean, that does not cost anything there. And the one is only just the speed sensor, so that's long enough already. So yeah, that brake line just needs to be 2 inches would be nice. 1 inch would probably work just fine too. I'll just have to mold this plastic up like that heat gun. Be very careful. Just annoying shit like that. If I was keeping this bike long term, I would just cut that down right there and smooth it off, and no one would know. That's annoying. Really? Was that fucking necessary? That it was just rude. I don't care if he jumps in the road. That's his life, but
I was trying to get out of the way.
like I know. I thought he'd stay on the single track. Whoa. He's still somewhat up. I will give it this. They have like a real steel kickstand. Probably not going to break on me. Yeah, I think the front brake's doing a little better today. It's not awesome, but it's better. Oh, you know what? Let's just fold that in. So 125 RRS test on my little single track, still with stock sprockets, just going the reverse direction. Whoa. Calm down, boy. Probably not winning any single track races with this bike. But we'll see. We'll see with the better gear. Because, I mean, if you then can climb stuff easier with the lower gearing, then that would be nice, wouldn't it? 13 tooth front. Try that first, see how it does. And then I have the 65 rear also I ordered, so. And stock is 63. Other option is 61 rear.